Alright, I want to do a quick unboxing of this Amazon Special PDR kit. It's fairly cheap, I think, for kind of what it is, but there's a ton of different rods here. Like every single angle, every attachment, all the different size tips. I think for the money, this is pretty sweet. Should be fairly useful. There's like a ton. I think this one will be the most useful for right now. But we will see about that. There's the rod section. Okay, second part here, we got the orange bag, which there is a ton in here. This is for the light. And then cutest little hammer, and all the different attachments for the puller. A hand puller, a very large glue gun, that's sweet, more attachments, a cord, probably for the light, another funky looking hammer, another puller, suction cup puller, like a punch, that's pretty cool. Ooh. Slide hammer, that is super heavy duty right there, that is heavy. More attachments, the glue sticks, there's a lot in there. The scraper to scrape the glue off. Interchangeable tips for that hammer. More glue attachments, there's a lot. Spray bottle for the alcohol to wipe everything off. And then the other puller, that's actually pretty neat. And the bag. Oh, and I didn't show the light. It's actually pretty neat. I'd be interested to see what this looks like turned on. That's pretty cool. Well, that's about all.